Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about an airport glitch that was going on that was catching some drivers off guard, where they weren't able to accept the rides from the airport. What was going on there? And then getting deactivation notices after that. So Sergio, what was going on?
Yeah. I have become pro bono Uber and Lyft support, as you all know. I get more emails now about people go, you know what? I'm not even going to try black hole Uber support because you know the answer more than they do. I'm going like, Uber, you know who you are. On this one, you exactly know who you are. I need to get paid. Honestly, I need to get paid. Seriously. I mean, I'm tired of pro bono bullshit. I'm doing it for the drivers, not for you guys. But then on this one, I probably saved Uber a shit ton of money. So last Monday morning, my phone goes off. I'm like, yep, something must be going on again. And sure enough, text messages, emails, oh, they won't do this. And I'm like, I don't even know what's going on. And then sure enough, I start getting screenshots. So what was happening is that drivers were dropping off at LAX. Okay. And then the second they drop off, Uber will either do a rematch to ask you to go back to the TNC lot or LAX it to pick somebody up and get out of there, right? So what was happening is that these are drivers all allowed or they have their TNC placards to go to LAX and all that stuff is ready to go. They've done thousands of trips. But on this occasion, what was happening is that Uber was popping up this message saying that your LAX privileges have been suspended. It's a definitely glitch, obviously, because you can drop off, but as soon as you drop off, you're getting this message. And then the drivers were like, what the F? I'm like, what do you know? I go, I don't know. I don't know anything. So it goes on for a couple hours, and then I get more of these screenshots. And what was it doing is that literally it was actually logging people out after a drop off saying, go to support. Or even the third screenshot where you guys can see, start the login process all over again, right? And then a few drivers went to support for I don't know, for what reason or another. And then they go like, what are we supposed to do? I go, well, I don't know what it is. So what do? I package this literally within a couple, 3 hours and send it to the appropriate Uber contacts that I have created over the last year or so. And one of them, you know who you are, said, I'm on it. And literally within 3.5 hours, the problem was fixed. So what was the problem? Well, I don't know what the problem was. Obviously, it was a glitch. And the driver started texting me back saying, Sergio, it's fixed. I'm like, great. Yeah, there you go. That's how we work in this on Show Me the Money, right? So who was losing? Drivers were losing. They weren't getting allowed to get picked up. Riders were not getting picked up, right? I mean, if you have Lyft, obviously Lyft probably was busy at that time. And Uber won, right? Uber basically was not making money. LAX is the third busiest airport in the country. They weren't doing any pickups. So in about 3 hours, the problem was fixed and everybody got back on. And this is what I do. This is what we do here. We fix shit. And this is like a small occurrence. I put that up just to give a shout out to the Uber person that did this, fixed it. So that's what I like doing. I like making people's lives a little bit better as far as drivers are concerned. And there's many other channels that you guys can go watch, which you probably do. They talk a lot. But then you got to get results, and this is one of the results. And I've done, I don't know how many dozens of these in the past 2.5 years. You guys become my eyes and ears. I wouldn't know anything about it. I'm not LAX. I'm not dropping off. I'm not picking up. And then, sure enough, it got fixed. Thank you, whoever you are. But then the other thing is, the problem was the people who went to support and said, oh, what's up? What the fuck? A day later, support comes back with that email saying you've been deactivated. That's why you're not. See the one on the right? It won't even let you sign in, and then Uber support comes back. This is how connected Uber is. Okay, you guys figure this out. 33,000 employees. Uber comes back with that screenshot on the at the end. It goes, "Yeah, you're not picking up because you're deactivated." It had nothing to do with it. The glitch had been fixed already like 12 hours before then. But then that goes to, you guys have to understand how backwards these companies are. They call themselves a technology company who do all these wonderful things. And then I sent this to my contact who fixed the problem. And she's like, oh shit. I'm like, yeah, oh shit. Yeah, you guys don't know your asses from your elbow. I mean, this shouldn't be happening, right? Imagine if you get this, Chris, your day is ruined. To go like, oh my God,
sure.
I'm deactivated. Right? It was nothing like that.
And you'd be like, for what? And then you'd try to start the deactivation appeal process, and all for what? Nothing.
Yeah.
Glitch.
That's tech company for you, buddy.
Yeah. More like a tech fault company.
Whatever. Cap company with an app, buddy. So you're going to tell time to get rid of the. You know how many times I said that already? Do you know how many times I said that already? I go, tell your overpriced behavioral scientists, sociologists, psychologists. I go, whoever picked the gray, it's more depressing already than it is. They haven't done anything. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Sometimes, most of the time they listen. Sometimes they go like, I don't know. I'm like, okay, whatever.
Yeah, that one was bad. But either way, yes. So if you were unfortunately part of that glitch, and actually, if you were outside the LAX area, because this just seemed to be in LA, but if this happened outside that area, please let us know, because we'd like to know if it was anything further or beyond the LAX area. So please let us know. Again, as Sergio said, you guys are the eyes and ears, and when something crazy goes on, there's like 15, 20 emails very quickly. So we appreciate all that, because then we know, oh, this is something that's big happening all of a sudden, and can, use the resources to look into it a little bit more.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.